Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor recruitment notification from the 4 government colleges, and all these are the permanent jobs, and the vacancies are nearly 200 plus are there from the multiple number of departments. And here the salary is for the assistant professor level 10 category, so it is a rationalized pay of 57,700 rupees per month. And if your applications are shortlisted, then you will be directly called for the interview. There is no written test and all. So it is a very good opportunity to all the candidates who are having the corresponding disciplines, okay, from where the vacancies are announced from these government colleges. So before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your devices. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, it is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University, and here the vacancies are announced from the multiple departments as well as the 4 different types of colleges. The first one is the College of Horticulture at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology, and the second one is College of Post-Harvest Technology and Food Processing at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology. And the third college is College of Technology at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology. And the next one is Veterinary and Animal Science at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel of Agriculture and Technology. Okay, so out of all these 4 different types of colleges, here the third one I am going to show you. Why? Because most of us departments are related to this one, and then I will take you to the remaining college vacancies. So click on this details, and here anyhow they mention here that for all these posts the last date for application is the October 14th 2020. So now click on this details, and this university is the state university, guys. Okay, and you can check down applications are invited for the following teaching posts, and the name of the post, here the number of posts as per the caste category also mentioned here in this table. So professor, associate and assistant professor. So coming to the departments, you can check down the mechanical, irrigation, computer, civil, renewable energy, engineering, electronics and communication, electrical, chemistry, and processing and food engineering, civil engineering, okay, mechanical. So the multiple departments are there. Information technology, mathematics, physics and chemistry. Okay, so here the professor, associate and assistant professor, it is level 10 category with rationalized entry pay 57,700 rupees per month. And coming to the qualification required for the assistant professor is BE, BTech, BS and ME or MTech or MS in relevant branch with first class or equivalent, or else the master's degree with 55% of marks. So apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET, SLET or SET qualification must be there. If this national level qualification is not there, then the candidate must have the PhD. Okay, so it is a qualification required for the assistant professor serial number 12 to 23. So serial number 12 to 23 means from here 12 to and from here 23. Okay, and coming to the 24, 25, 26, that is mathematics, physics and chemistry. Regarding those one, a master's degree with the 55% of marks must be there, and apart from this one, the UGC NET qualification must be there. If the UGC NET or SLET or SET is not there, then the candidate must have the PhD qualification. Okay, so these are the details regarding the vacancies in this university. And if you want to get the remaining college details, just like the vacancies in the University of Horticulture, so click on the details, then the departments and the educational qualification. Okay, so here the fruit science, post harvest technology and vegetable science and soil science and agriculture chemistry and environmental science, biochemistry and statistics. Okay, assistant professor in social science in English. So here the multiple departments are there from this college. And coming to the entry pay is same, comparing with the previous post. So like that you can check down the vacancies in the College of Technology I shown you right now. So the Harvest Technology also you can check, and similarly veterinary and animal science also you can check the details. Okay, if you belongs to this one, for example, if you are not belongs to this one, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to this departments: anatomy, veterinary microbiology. Okay, so veterinary physiology and biochemistry. Fine. For more details, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Then you are going to get all such type of notifications to your mobile phones immediately. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end the course is going to be finished, and by the starting of the November month you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020 guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwani, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profiling that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET Electronic Science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you guys.